Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I will show you how to start flying FPV for under $200. FPV is known as an expensive hobby, and it consists in flying an RC craft by positioning yourself into the pilot's seat. And this is a very immersive experience, but it's a lot of fun. And I will show you how to start really quick and also as cheap as possible. First, let's get through an overview of which are the components of an FPV setup. First, of course, it's the drone, which consists in the FPV drone frame. Also, the motors, that you have usually 4 of them. The electronics, which is inside, and it's composed by the ESC, the flight controller, and also the receiver for the radio transmitter. The video transmission system, which is composed by the FPV camera and also the video transmission system that is usually mounted in the back of the drone. And of course, some antennas. And very important is also the batteries. You will need some batteries to power up everything. So the batteries is strapped on top of the drone and you connect it by a connector like this. And now everything is powered up and you connect the goggles and the transmitter and you can start flying. But that's not so easy. First, let me present you the transmitter. So you will need a transmitter which allows you to control the drone, and also very important are the FPV goggles. Now there are a lot more details about these components, but everything has a starting point, so you don't have to bother with any of this yet. Whether you're already a regular drone pilot or you're just getting started, it is very important to first start flying on FPV simulators like Velocidrone, Liftoff or Trip FPV. These are simulators that I've already tested and I can tell you that these are just fine. If you don't have a very powerful PC, I would recommend you to start using the Velocidrone, as it doesn't require very high performance hardware resources. You need to start by looking after a radio controller, because you will use it in the FPV simulator, and after that you will also use it for your FPV drones. There are multiple communication protocols that you need to consider, but there are also on the market 4-in-1 radio controllers, which allows you to choose later in the process which protocol you want to use for your drones. Now that you have installed the simulator, you will start practicing flying in acro mode, also known as manual mode, because you have full authority over the drone controls. This means that flying FPV is a little bit more difficult and will require more time to get used to it. If you want to see how my sister learned to fly in only 8 hours without any background in this hobby, check out the video on my YouTube channel and get inspired. Practicing on a simulator also allows you to get a good taste of what flying FPV feels like, and you can decide if this hobby is for you or not without breaking the bank account. The simulator costs around $20 and the transmitters starts from a price of $70 and also can go up to $200 and something. Well, don't get discouraged yet. This equipment will be used for other drones as well. You will only have to buy once the transmitter, the FPV goggles, the batteries, and also the charger and other stuff. Now let's say you've decided to get all in. First thing I would recommend to do is to do as much research as possible and also look for products online to get familiarized with the FPV terms that are used in this hobby. And also this will help you to understand better the systems that are involved in this kind of drones. First thing that I would recommend to do is to decide what communication protocol you will use for the radio transmission system, because there are 2 on the market which are very popular, the Crossfire and ELRS. Also very important is to decide whether you are going to use an analog video system or a digital video system. The analog video system is well known for low latency, but the video feed doesn't have a very good quality, so then you will have to choose, if you want a better quality in the video feed, you will have to choose a digital system, because this allows you to get a high definition video feed, but the only problem is that this digital system struggles to achieve the low latency performance that analog systems are known well for. Before talking about other skills that are crucial for engaging into this hobby, please take a second and like and subscribe to my channel. This will show me the appreciation for my work and also motivate me forward. Flying FPV can be as easy as placing an order online and waiting for your drone to arrive. But you will find yourself very often in the situation that you crash your drone and you need to fix it. This means that you don't want to buy a new drone every time or pay for somebody to repair it. You will need to learn to build your drones by yourself. All the systems are very well documented and they offer a wide compatibility. So just get some time, do your research and make a list of parts that you need to build your drone and build it yourself. You might find it difficult that you need to solder, but you will thank me later for learning this skill as well. I think for now, this is all you need. And actually for under $200, you can start right now. I will leave some links in the description with simulators and transmitters that can help you to start right away. Also, there are a lot of YouTubers around in the FPV community, like Joshua Bardell, which explains with a lot of details almost anything about FPV. Thanks for watching this episode. Check out other interesting FPV videos I've posted onto my channel and let me know into the comments if I helped you. Good luck and see you!